Hi guys, I just thought this would be a good time to make this quick video because I came home and I found that the electric had been off and on all day. For like 15 minutes it would be on, go off for 15 minutes, on and off and on and off. And strangely enough, my phone ran out of battery today, so I needed to charge it, but plugging it into the socket when the electric's off and then it comes on again for 10 minutes, it wasn't really charging my phone. So I decided to whip out a bit of kit that I bought, and I bought this primarily for the time, Exodus time, after the throne is passed over and, you know, complete sort of annihilation of the nations. And what it is a generator, but it's solar panelled. I can't actually show you the solar panel because I don't actually have it yet. It didn't come with the unit. It's actually needed to be bought separate, but I can show you the unit, and I want to show you also some other bits and pieces that that I have. So let me try and flip the camera around. So here is the unit itself. I got it off Amazon. It's got its own little lights on. If you wanted to, you know, light an area where you might be camping or staying. As a cigarette, I believe that would be an output. Just check quickly. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that'd be an output. Cigarette lighter output for a car cigarette lighter. It's got its lights on there. It's got USBs. I've got this one fully loaded at the moment. You can have a DC output there as well, but you've got USB outputs. You've also got mini USB. This one's fully loaded at the moment. I've got my laptop charging. Okay, go into the laptop, which is running. It's actually charging. I can't have charged that fast. Anyway, I must have had charge in it before. I was pretty sure it didn't have charge in it, but now it's nearly fully charged. But I also have the router, because the electric's gone off. As you can see, there's no red light on that socket there. So the internet had gone off as well. So this is my home router, which is being powered off it as well. And still going strong. It was 100% charged. Okay, and it charges by solar panels which go in here. Like I said, I haven't actually got them at the moment, but it does have its own mains charger, so you can charge it by the mains as well. It's quite heavy. It's got its own handle. It's got wireless charging as well if you have that on your phone. Okay, but as you can see now, this has been going for about 5 or 10 minutes, and supposedly that 5 is how many hours it can go for doing what it's doing now, which I don't really need. So I don't really need to have my laptop on, and especially in the end of the age, when Exodus, you don't even want to go on your computer or your phone maybe to share with social media what's been going on, and then you may even want to switch your phone off. There'll be plenty of other things to do, you know, firewood, foraging for food, making food, putting up your tabernacle, taking down your tabernacle, exodus into a new place, whatever. But this unit's pretty nifty, like. And yeah, so we'll be getting some solar panels for this, and then it'll be able to charge itself. So this is the solar panel generator, which can be powered solar panels into the inputs here. But it can be charged via 230 volts electric AC. Can wireless charge your phone, or USB charge your phone as it's doing now. Yeah, it's a great little thing. You switch on the AC, you get the sockets available there, so you can charge your laptop with nothing plugged into it at the moment. Good thing about this as well is that when it's charging your phone or any other USB item, when it finishes charging, there must be a transistor or whatever, and it shuts off, so it'll stop, so it won't overcharge your phone, which is great. There's a wireless on it as well, BluTooth. And yeah, it's great. 87%. The other day I put the solar panels out in bright light, and it managed to charge up to about 90% then, if that's at 87. I'm literally just charging my phone off it, and it's gone down about 3%. So great little thing by All Powers. Product I've got off YouTube, Amazon. So it's a great little thing. It's quite hefty, like, it's a big chunk, which is good. And yeah, very happy with it. Got some lights on here if you want a bit of light. So yeah, great. It's got 3 USBs there, and it's got a MIDI USB as well, and DC outputs, and that's about it. But what more do you want? A great little thing. That 47 there says it's got 47 hours worth of charging my phone, which of course, you know, my phone would be charged in a couple of hours actually using this. So it's a great little thing. I put it to the test, you know, and put the solar panels to the test, and you know, it only took it would have been a good day of sunshine in the UK, and it would have charged it probably fully. So very happy with this. This is the one I recommend. It's even managing to power the TV and the Skybox. And it's saying that there'll be 4 hours 50 minutes remaining, but it's still only at 80%. So thanks for watching anyway. I've been Pastor Justin Roberts. Just wanted to give you a little heads up on some Exodus equipment preparation. This solar panelled generator. God bless you all. Amen. Amen.